So I have been waiting for this item from Hermès, wow, for a while now. Yes, at least since this summer, or should I say last summer. I am so excited to finally share one of my wish list items from Hermès. I finally got it. Yes, I'm so excited. So I cannot wait to show it to you. We're about to do an unboxing right now, so stay tuned. Hey, welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulux. I'm Tatiana and I love to talk about luxury goods and items, a little bit of lifestyle, and then I try to sprinkle in a bit of tips or advice that I've learned to share with you. Okay guys, before we get into this video, because I am so excited, okay, let's just go ahead and get just some housekeeping out the way. As I have said before, or maybe you don't know, but I am doing a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers, and I am so close. We are so close. Yes, it's gonna be a special luxury giveaway as a thank you. Thank you for supporting my channel, just supporting the video, leaving lovely comments. So yeah, this giveaway will be open only to my subscribers, so make sure you subscribe. Yes, and then once we reach 1,000 subscribers, I will give all the details, the rules. They'll be really simple. It won't be anything too complicated or too hard, all right? Because I really want to give this to you guys as a thank you. So subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button because you're definitely gonna like today's video, and hit the notification bell so you can stay informed when I drop a new video, as I drop a video every week, all right? Now that we've got that out the way, let's get into today's video. I don't think I've mentioned it on this channel, but you know what? Today you're about to find out what I got from Hermès. And I have been waiting for this item. There's a number of items that I love at Hermès, and if you have ever bought from Hermès or just know how difficult it is to get an item, I mean, you have to wait. It's a process for everything. So to be able to get this item, it's a win. It's a wish list win, okay? Let's just say that. Like, this has been on my wish list and I am so excited that I got this, and I don't even think I even told y'all this was on my wish list, just because, you know, you don't want to put your hopes up too high. You kind of just like keep things to yourself, just so if it doesn't happen, it's okay, but if it does happen, then it's like, I'm gonna share. So yes, it has happened and I am going to share it today. So yes, I am doing an unboxing. Actually, I have two items that I'm gonna unbox. So I'm gonna unbox my first item and then the second item, of course. So yes, I have two items that I'm going to unbox today. So let's go ahead and start with the first item. And I have been telling you guys, I've been wanting to add more pieces to my collection. So the first item that I'm unboxing from Hermès today is, I mean, from the side of the box, it's a ring. Yes, it is a ring. I love fine jewelry. So this is from their fine jewelry section. So let's go ahead and open this one up. Okay, so I have taken the ribbon off and gonna slide the box out. And this is, like I said, it's a ring. Let me get it out and I'm going to do a nice close-up. Now, I can never pronounce the name of this ring, but here it is. And I also will put it on the screen so you can see a better image of this ring. Beautiful, gorgeous. It's in rose gold. And if you have been watching my channel, then you know that I've been trying to add a little bit more rose gold accessories to my collection, especially after purchasing my lock bracelet that's in rose gold. And I have loved this ring since I even first saw it. And then when I see it on people, it just looks so great. So I was just like, you know what? I am going to get this ring for myself. So let me try this one on. Here is the ring on my hand. And I love it. I'm a girl who loves her jewelry. So this one again is in rose gold. And then it has like tiny diamonds that goes around the front and then, you know, on the H. And I love that I can wear this ring on multiple fingers. And because I'm getting more rose gold jewelry, I can wear it with my other rose gold jewelry. So the story behind this ring, I can definitely tell you that I had to go get a smaller size because when I first bought it, I thought it was, you know, a good fit. Then I went back and I was like, you know what, this is just a little too big. And I have a really great essay because it probably was like maybe a few days past the 30 days. So I was able to go back, get this in a smaller size. Now, I know jewelry, some of the stuff at Hermès is always hard to get, but the next item that I'm about to share, it took some time, all right? This was something that's been on my personal wish list. Again, I've never shared it just because I wanted to keep it to myself. And I kept hearing things about like, oh, that's discontinued. They're not doing that anymore. So, you know, all was false because I did ask my essay. I was like, is this the last of it? Is this discontinued? Are they not, you know, making this anymore? And I was told, no, that's not true. They are making a different style now, but they're not making this particular item that I'm about to unbox. So that's good to know. The next item, guys, I have it here in front of me. It's another jewelry item. I wish I could tell y'all to guess, but you know how I feel about asking people to guess about stuff in boxes. That like irks me when I see it in video. So I'm not gonna ask you to guess. It is fine jewelry, all right? And again, this piece was hard to acquire. I guess it's popular because I almost didn't get this piece. It was almost sold to someone else. It was on hold for me, and I heard another essay. I was trying to be like really slick and be like, I'm about to show it to my client. And my essay was like, oh, wait. That has my client's name on it. No. She's coming in later this week to purchase it, at least to look at it. So you cannot sell it until she sees it. Thankful that they were able to make sure that this was still in stock because again, I have been waiting for this item. If anyone knows Hermès, sometimes there's just a long wait. No matter what you're getting, it just takes a long time to get what you want. Yes. Okay, so it comes in a box like this, and of course their boxes like have that flap that opens up in the front. And let's open the jewelry case. Take her out. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. I wish y'all could see how much it sparkles and shines. So this is their Kelly bracelet. I'm probably not gonna say it correctly because it's a full name, but I will definitely put the full name of this bracelet on the screen. I saw this on display, but the one that they had on display did not fit my wrist. So I told my essay, like, I would love to have this. And I was hearing rumors about it being discontinued or they're not making it in this beautiful Cuban link chain anymore. And I was told that is not true. They do have another style of this, but no, they're still going to be making them. So it kind of works just like a Kelly belt. So this part does twist and you can like feel the mechanism. Let me put this on. And it has weight to it, okay? It's rose gold, and they have one in white gold. Definitely want the one in white gold. So you put it on and you can actually hear it click a little bit. If you have the Kelly belt, you know how it clicks into place and then you twist the like circular piece on top. So you hear it on the bracelet too. It's rose gold. I've been trying to grow my rose gold collection. So this is a nice addition to my rose gold collection of fine jewelry items. And then the diamonds just really set it off. I am looking at another piece because I just want a unique stack. I mean, this by itself, it's phenomenal, okay? I love this. And oh, I love this because it pairs well with the ring, the other rose gold ring with the, you know, the H diamond that I just showed you. The diamonds really stand out because you would think they're so tiny, you're not gonna really see them, but to the naked eye, you can definitely see these diamonds. A nice early birthday gift to myself, okay? I'll be getting a lot of good use of this bracelet now that I'm, you know, getting more rose gold items, this is gonna make it a very unique stack. And I love that this is an item that I don't really see a lot of people with. For me, I like that uniqueness, and I always like things that are unique. And I love the Kelly detail, like the buckle detail. I really like that detail. That's kind of my favorite. I know I unboxed some shoes with the big Kelly buckle. Like, I really like that style. So I put it back on this cute little pillow that it came on. The next item, again, that I want is the white gold one. Again, that is hard to find, but yes, with this Cuban link style, I definitely want this in white gold. And if they have it in yellow gold, I might even add that too. And it's so funny because I almost wanted this in the like cuff or the bangle, but I love this design better. I really liked this just because it just gave more flexibility to my wrist, because, you know, it's a chain. That cuff sometimes can be stiff, but this can, like, you know, be flexible around your wrist. All right, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop my next video, as I drop a video every week. And thank you for supporting, guys. I've seen the love, I've seen the support. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. You are now part of the Fab Fam, my subscribers. So I love sharing with you guys, and I love engaging with you guys. And if you have any questions about the bracelet or about the ring that I showed, leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer if I know the answer to it. Thank you so much for watching, for tuning in, for subscribing, because you know you want to be part of that giveaway that I'm having soon, okay? Once I reach 1,000 subscribers, we are almost there, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.